Disclaimer. This is not an unboxing video, this is a feature review. I will go through the features. My videos are short, and reviews are crisp, to the point, filled with quality and complete information. Don't forget to subscribe. So without much delay, let's get started. Samsung, 65 inches class, 7 series, 4K UHD TV, feature review. Tried all brands in all price ranges over the years, and I always come back to Samsung. It's crystal clear, and just looks perfect in my living room. Really shines when watching in high quality, even just HD. Sound quality is always above the rest, no picture blurring, smart apps work great, and price is always right. Shows produced with very low lighting are still clear and apparent, without having to adjust the brightness setting. You pay more, you get more. The extra free Samsung TV Plus channels are really nice, especially for people without cable. Most of these channels are generic with unheard of shows, but some are pretty good. My only complaint is with the app and its functionality. It's slow to load and oftentimes doesn't work. Apparently this is something Samsung is working on. The TV was simple to set up out of the box. The TV recognized the devices I had connected and it shows the icon of the device. I love the little sponge things in the packing box, on each side of the screen that helps with not getting fingerprints on the screen as well as protecting it from damage. The blacks on the TV are deep and dark, the white is not as bright as my other TV from Samsung, but it still looks great. The only negative thing I'd like to mention about this TV is it only has 2 HDMI inlets. Great for PS4 Pro or Xbox One X. The only thing I would buy with the TV is 4K HDMI cable to get the best quality possible. Our video games look so real, streaming movies is seamless, and the Samsung channels are a great bonus. A common nuisance with a lot of TVs is glare from lights in the house or sunlight, and with this TV installed in the same exact location as my previous TV, I have not noticed this to be a problem. The TV operates fairly smoothly, some apps are quicker than others. But overall the speed of the TV is fairly comparable to a computer or gaming system setup. It has a lot of features and apps and the picture is bright and very clear. The sound quality is also good. Visitors regularly compliment the TV saying how clear it is. The big screen is nice for screen sharing with my laptop, or iPhone. It was super easy to set up and you can sync with your phone just by tapping the phone on the side of the TV. Plugging in my Xbox and stereo was easy. Killer television for the price point. Mounted it over the fireplace and it looks amazing. The TV sound quality is just as great too. The graphics are way better than I expected. Would recommend this TV for anyone who is looking. Samsung doesn't disappoint. There are a few links that has been provided in the YouTube description box. This include discounts, as well as unique products that you cannot come across in Google search. I earn a small commission. If you buy anything from that link, please buy me a beer. If you have any clarification, comment below the video. I will try my best to clear your doubts. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like my video, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you will get my new videos. Also don't forget to hit on like button. Thanks for watching. You are listening to Jason Peter, signing off.